Welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. We're here at the village of Lakeside.
Hey, this is Doug from the editing room. I don't know why I called it the village of Lakeside. It is the village of Lakeview, and I do say that quite a few times in this video, so please forgive me, and I will do it right the next time. Thank you. Now let's get back to the program.
We're going to take off. We're going to see if we can spot anything new on Lakeside. There's going to be anything showing that they're going to start building here in Lakeside soon. I do have the very tussled tundra there. We've got a lot of driving to do, because we're going to start here at Lakeside. We're going to show Edenfield, Oak Hollow, and LaGrange and see what's happening there. So stay tuned.
I wanted to start off by showing the postal centers at Edenfield, Lakeview, and LaGrange, just so you can see how far they've gotten along to show the building process of these postal centers and how soon they will start building houses in these areas. So you can see that the postal center in LaGrange isn't as far along as in Edenfield, and you can see here in Lakeview they have not started at all. So you know they're not going to start selling the lots in Lakeview just yet. Here we are at McNeil Drive and Bexley Trail. We're heading south. You can see Edenfield is starting to develop. You can see that they have started building down through here, and this will be filled out in no time. This commercial is for the new villagers having their houses built in the village of LaGrange. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day, plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and the neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. So if your house is being built in the village of LaGrange, give me a call, email, text. Operators are standing by. Everybody knows that these lots down through here are for sale, and you can go out there anytime and see everybody checking them out. Congratulations on winning the lottery. Everybody's worried about the area behind the postal center here. I think it's just going to be a walking trail, some sort of nature walking trail that's going to be built down through here, but we will see. All the plans in the villages are fluid, so they can change at any time. Here you are looking southwest. You can see Corbin Trail, and we're going to follow Corbin Trail off to the north a little bit. You can see the rec centers down there. You can see we're coming up to Craig Court. You can see the championship golf course down there. You can see the Woodlands Championship golf course down there. Then they get a little bit of water on there. Then they get some water down on the grass, looking a little brown. You can see Summers Run over onto the left, and you can see Edenfield Run on the right, all the construction going on. You can see the Edenfield Lake and all these houses being built down through here, and all those verandas on the water. Pretty cool. Riding northeast, you can see Bexley Bridge up on the north. You can see the Executive Golf Course, see the tollway. You can see the villas that are being built up there. Here we are Summer's Run headed south. You can see the Championship Golf Course, and we're heading down towards the village of LaGrange. You know that a lot of lots were for sale down through here in LaGrange, so they're going to start building down through here shortly. We are at Corbin Trail. We're going to head east, follow this Robinette Road. A lot of those lots are for sale, and we're going to head up north on Robinette Road here. And like I said, if you won the lottery on getting these lots, congratulations. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you could help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing, I would really appreciate it. It helps it out with the algorithm. There are some golfers playing at the executive golf course. We are at Edenfield Run, and if you remember my last video 2 weeks ago about how many houses were being built out through there, and now this is 2 weeks later, they're full. I don't think there's a lot in there that has not started to be built on Edenfield Run. That little circle area there by the Woodlands Championship Golf Course. They're working very hard and diligently in there and very efficiently. Back over on the village of LaGrange, you can see we're looking west. And here we are in the village of Lakeview. They haven't started building down through here, but like I said, just keep an eye on that little section there for the Postal Center. So if you come into the gate and you look over there and you see them start building, you know those lots are going to be for sale shortly. And there's going to be some really decent lots, high value, highly sought after lots down through here. Here we are. This is Eastport Town Square, and these lots over here and these lots here, highly sought after. Good luck on the lottery. Like you can see Central Lake, you can see Sunset Island, Eastport Hotel, you can see the Farragut Softball Center, Softball Complex. Just a fine now, beautiful song. Well, just one love, I was a bad mess, 'cause that long good woman had it all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine.